But I have this. I hope it's not spicy. I'll just put a little bit. Okay, I'm not gonna put too much because I don't want it to be spicy for the kids. So I saw this thing, it said 1.5 cups of liquid. I'm just gonna put water. 1 cup. Okay, we're gonna put it in. If it fits. It like fits perfectly in there. It's like perfect fit. So we're gonna put this on low. Low. Cover it. Hopefully it's done by, no, you can't touch it. Done by dinner. I just recorded a whole bunch. I just said a whole bunch of stuff and thought I was recording, and I wasn't. But anyway, I was saying, if anybody has any recommendations on healthier creamer. This is 35 calories for 1 tablespoon, but it's just got a lot of sugars. Okay. That are not good, so. And I've tried the Chobani, and it tastes like yogurt. I don't like that stuff. Drinking yogurt. Don't mind the spit up on my shirt. It was a long night with the baby. That's why I'm going in with the coffee early. This one. Keeps you on your feet. Hey, you what? It's bedtime. Huh, well, it's nap time. Uh-oh, where's your blanket?
Yeah.
I gotta go get it. Or you can use this one. Use this one? Good night, Tommy. Tommy's down for his nap, so I'm going to reheat my coffee. I only got halfway through it. And yes, I'm still wearing the same clothes I wore to bed. Kids are playing outside, so I'm gonna feed this little guy and finish my coffee. Got laundry going. I got dinner in the crock pot. So far I'm doing pretty good with calories and walking for 30 minutes every day. Still trying to figure out a routine with having this little guy and a 2-year-old, or he'll be 2 next month. Charlie is 7 weeks old today. He's doing pretty good. He's a big boy. He's almost 14 pounds. Okay, show me where you got them.
At the porch. Under that porch.
Under the porch?
Yeah, their nest
Are they alive?
Yeah.
Their nest fell?
Yeah, under the porch, and then they found...
Wow, your hands are dirty.
It's dead. Its eyes are always trying to open.
Oh, poor things. Maybe if you find a basket.
We might be able to make a nest. The dead fly. That one's not dead either.
There's a dead fly, yeah.
They're all not dead.
They're all alive.
Yeah. And that is all. Now I'm done doing it some hay.
All right, so I read that we need to put these birds in a small box because the nest fell down, and put it up in a tree somewhere or somewhere high so the cat doesn't get it. And then leave them alone because the mama and daddy will come back. So we need to find a smaller box, okay? So the kids got the grass, so we just need to find a smaller box, and we're gonna go put this up somewhere. All right. So we got the box. A little tiny box. We're gonna put a little bit of hay on the bottom.
So do we put the hay in first?
Yeah, put just a little bit.
Like that much? Wait,
More. Cover the bottom. Yeah, cover the bottom.
Like it's a big nest?
Yep, like it's a nest.
We don't want to lose any of this. That's enough hay. Is that all we need for the hay? All the hay we need. Now do we put the birds in?
Okay, put the birds in.
They think it's their real nest. Hey, get off of me! Help that one! Oh,
Look at them.
This one's trying to sit up to them.
Okay, let's go find a spot.
This one's trying to sit up.
Okay. So, was the original bird's nest up here?
Yeah. The dogs come up here. Oh, an egg.
Oh my goodness, an egg?
Yes.
Ah!
Did they do the flake? No.
Another bird? Hold on, let me show it to me. So that's the nest that... Wow, that's really cool.
And there's 4 babies.
Hey, why don't you put this nest in the box? Will it fit?
Wait, we need
Here,
to take
put it right here. Put it right here.
We need to take everything out for us.
Yeah, let's do that. Put the birds in the nest. Charlotte, hold the nest.
They're all going to attack
Are they
the
gonna
egg.
fit in there?
There's not be flies all over them. So.
That's okay. All right. Now, Willie, can you set this whole nest in the box? Will it slide in?
Perfect. Now the body won't fall out.
Now you need to go put these up somewhere.
Yeah. There. Now they all tucked in their nest.
All right, well, my coffee's cold again. I sent out my oldest, Henry, to make sure they put that box in a good spot where the cat and the dogs won't get it. So we'll see what they come up with. I have no clue if the birds will survive, but I Googled it and it said just to leave them alone, which is what we're gonna do. So we've got the drill, we got a couple screws. We're gonna screw the box to the porch and then put the nest back in it. All right, let's not bump my head here. Okay, we're under the porch. Oh yeah, that's a good spot.
Right
Good idea.
This is where it was.
Okay, it was over here.
So it's right there.
All right.
Are the birds dead?
No, they're not. No, they're still alive.
How do we take the nest out?
Yeah, I got the box. You use 2 hands to grab them.
Why don't we do it like in it so that, bruh.
What?
Someone
fell
needs
in?
to hold it.
I got 2 screws. Should we put 2 or just 1? Probably just 1. Right.
Two. Because right for
Do you need help?
Mommy, camera. There, for you.
Good job.
I think that's good.
Okay.
We need 2.
We need 2. Yeah.
Me at the other.
Yeah. Put it right here. Over on this side.
Yeah, something to
Wait. There we go. Push. That's good. That's good. Perfect. All right. Now, can you put that back in there?
I hope the box doesn't fall.
There you go. Look at that.
Nice.
Okay.
We saved the birds!
There we are. So they look good. We'll probably check on them another time. Hopefully they survive.
Has the spoon, and then I can use this. The hot chocolate spoon.
So I think it's been 4 hours. I'm going to open this up and check it. Wow, that looks good. Okay. Alrighty, look at that. Yeah, definitely not ready to... It's pretty hard still. It looks good. But I'm gonna wait probably... Actually, I'm gonna put it on high. I think I'm gonna put this on high so I can make sure it's done by dinner. It's like every time I get my coffee, the baby starts crying. Are you hungry? He was sleeping, but oh, I had a burp. Maybe I can get him to go back to sleep. All right, it's been, I think, 2 hours later. I know you're not supposed to open these up very often, but I'm gonna open it up. Check on it. Ooh. It's getting there. It's getting close. That looks good though. I think probably another couple hours. Maybe. I don't know. Alright, let's check it out. It's been 8 hours since I first started it. It looks good. Perfect.
Hey, did you show my Goodwill find? Half off, baby. I got it for $7.
A crock pot. Because our other one, Tommy drug off the counter and shattered everywhere.
Yeah, man, I made a deer neck.
I can't get a piece.
What did I make out of that? Tacos?
Yeah. No, it was like beans.
Oh, dude, yeah, it was beans with the deer neck in it. Dude, it was so good. I only ate like a bowl out of it, and then Tommy got up and drug it off the counter and broke it.
Sure, come on.
It tastes good. Let's eat.
Curly does one at a time, but I'm in the production, so I'm gonna do two.
Stand on this one, it's taller. It can be right there.
Yeah.
There you go.
Da, da, da.
Now you can see. Can you see? Yeah, I think it's too big.
Da, da, da. Da, da, da.
Yeah, nope, put it down. Hey, put that back, man. We'll have to clean the stove, people. And look at that. They don't leave comments anywhere. The one comment would be is like, why don't you clean your stove and wash away all the seasoning? Dirty stove makes food taste better. Yikes, dude. I gotta turn this baby down, man.
Da, da.
I don't need that, sweetie. Thank you, though.
Da, da, da. Da, da, da.
Oh.
Da, da, da. Da, da, da.
What have the kids been eating today, dude? Their faces are, every one of them, they're just filthy, except Henry.
Oh yeah, they were in the woods. They came back just like covered in dirt.
What?
They're like, can you check in for ticks?
Da, da.
They have any?
No.
Da, da, da.
What?
Da, da. Lemon.
Are you hungry, Johnny?
Da, da, da.
I think we have one on.
Mimi.
Nope,
Mimi.
ain't happening, bro.
Thomas.
Yum, yum.
Yum yum.
Yum.
Looks good. Shredded beef tacos. That's really good.